The affordable full-size keyboard from Epomaker. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. That's right, we're back. And today we have another beautiful Epomaker keyboard. We've done a lot of Epomaker videos in the past. Some of my favorite keyboards, like special shout out to the Carbon 60 is one of my favorites. Carbon fiber keyboard. You guys remember that? Anyways, Epomaker, they're back with a keyboard that's full size. It's aluminum. It's under $100, and it's, you know, just about the keyboard of your wildest dreams. Okay. Okay, so it's 100 keys. Plus, it's got a knob up there. That's right, it's got a full number pad. It's gasket mount, tri-mode connection, hot swappable mechanical keyboard with knob. It's got 1000 hertz polling rate in wired and 2.4G and 125 hertz polling rate in Bluetooth. So, you know, maybe don't game in Bluetooth mode. And weight, it's about 1.66 kilograms. Very impressed. Okay, now we're just gonna unbox you. Okay, here it is. Boom. All right. They're tricking us. They like to build suspense. Whoa, what color scheme did I get? Okay, there's a nice user manual, laminated, beautiful, stapled, not just a folded up piece of paper. We got a little card from Epomaker. This is the user manual, the JSON file, and the VIA, in case you want to download the software. Oh yeah, that's a chunky boy. That's a chunky boy. All right. Here it is, man. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the accessories first. I'm just gonna show you. I'm also curious because I don't know what color scheme I got for this. Whoa, whoa, it's like ice cream or something. Look at it, it's beautiful. It reminds me of like dessert. I love it. What is that? It's like a cupcake keyboard. Did I do a cupcake keyboard already? No, I did a kitty keyboard, but not a cupcake keyboard. I'm calling it cupcake keyboard. That's nice. I love it. It's like beige, kind of, like the case. Definitely aluminum. Okay, so there's the front. 100 keys plus a knob for $93. That ain't too bad. So it comes in two colors. It comes in this one and the black one. Obviously we got this one because it looks a little cooler to me personally, but some people like to go for that sleek black look. Anyways, let's look at the rest of the keyboard. Wait, does this click? Oh yeah, okay. There's the front, chunk, there's the side, there's the back, there's the mode switch. A physical mode switch button is always greatly appreciated. Type-C port, there's just a set angle, no adjustable feet. And there's the back, Galaxy100 Lite. Is there a little sticker on it? Wow. Oh, it's like glass, that's glass. Very nice, Epomaker. See what I mean? I told you guys, Epomaker's good. For 93 bucks, they're like, you know, we're gonna make a nice budget, full-size keyboard. Let's at least put like one super sick feature. Love that. Okay, then we have rubber feet. The point I was trying to make there is that a lot of people do budget keyboards and then it's just like super basic and no personality. No, like nothing to set that keyboard apart from like the other under $100 keyboards, you know what I'm saying? But like, that's cute. I like that. That's a flex. I like it. Epomaker, you cooked. Good job. Baking complete. What else do we get in the box? Okay, we get a cable. It's a braided white cable with a little transformer on it. Yeah, that's about 1.8 meter. That's long enough. Typical. It's not super long. It's just your regular keyboard cord length. And then it also has, oh, this is the dongle. This is the wireless dongle on the cable. That's an interesting slot for it. Okay, so in case you're wondering where'd the dongle for this, it's in the power cable box. Up next, keycap and switch puller. Standard, no label or anything, just your typical keycap and switch puller. And the extra keycaps to make it into Apple, Mac, whatever, if you use a Mac. It's got the option and the command keycap. And it's got two extra switches. Okay, so it comes in two different switch types. It comes in the Fecker Marble White switch, and it also comes in the Epomaker Wisteria Linear V2 switch. We got the Wisteria ones. These are a little more expensive. And then it's also got south-facing RGB. Let me bring it up to you. It says Epomaker up there above the little thing. I don't know if you can see that or not. And then the south-facing RGB. You can see the little diffuser right there. Okay, so very nice. Got two extra switches, as it should be when you get a new keyboard. Okay, let's just go ahead and do a sound test. Wow, I really like it. Nice and satisfying. I don't know why I thought they were going to be silent, but that's actually some pretty good presence. It feels like heavy, you know what I mean? Does that make any sense? I don't know. Is that the correct term? I never know anymore. But it's nice. I like it. It's kind of, you know, got that old kind of almost that typewriter sound, you know, like that old school sound. Next up, we're just gonna weigh it. Go a little scale. Gonna zero it. Okay, we're in grams here. Okay, 1678 grams. 3 pounds, 11 ounces. All right, respect. Sounds about right. Feels about right. So we've weighed it. We've heard it. We've yapped about it. Now I'm gonna plug it into my setup and check out the RGB, and then we're gonna test it in a little game. So I'll see you at the setup.
Where's this little firing range? We're just gonna test out some keyboard function down here in the firing range. Is it down here? Okay. So I got the keyboard here. I'm banned from matchmaking right now because I rage quit a match because a Hawkeye was 11-0 and every single person on the team had no kills. And it was the second game in a row. And I'm sorry guys, I couldn't clutch the win for you for this video. But I'm just gonna go ahead and just show off a little bit of firing range, the way it kind of felt. I really like the resistance of the keys. Like I said, I may not have said that already, but I love the resistance of the keys. I like that the blue kind of pops a little bit extra, you know.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I mean, overall, it just feels really nice. I don't know what else to say. I mean, you got like a big calculator just ready to go whenever you want. It's super responsive.
There they are.
It's budget. I don't know. It just feels nice. It's definitely okay. So, like I said, the keys feel pretty good. The strafing's nice. My aim not so great. Oh my god, I'm so trash. Nobody moves like this. I'm trying to no scope, but you understand my point. It feels nice. I can't really hear the keys with my headphones on, which is good. I really can't aim at all. But you guys get the idea. I really do like this keyboard. I love the full size. I love the budget. I like the color scheme, and it just feels nice to use. Like I said, nice and easy and forgiving. A little bit, you know, over some of the really sensitive gaming keyboards. It's kind of the best of both worlds. You get the gaming and you get the office use. You get a little bit of both. It's definitely usable for gaming. It's my mouse here that appears to be the problem. Like I can do anything with this with this keyboard that I could do with a controller. Yeet. It's nice and responsive. Love it. Definitely killed it with this one, Epomaker. Anyways, if you like this video, smash a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next tech review. Thank you, Epomaker, for sending this. It's definitely one of a kind. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'll leave a link for it in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Make sure to watch my keyboard playlist. Okay, bye. Bye.